Hello everyone, my name is Juanita from Bukidnon, MMM participant. I am here now to explain a little bit further about MMM. Now, what is MMM? MMM is not a bank, nor it is an online business. MMM is a community of people wherein each member help each other realize their dreams through the power of giving. MMM serves as a mediator between the provider and the one who need help. Its role is to connect people from different places who's willing to help without hesitation. MMM also is a community of people, as I said earlier, wherein each participant help each other through financial aspects. Its principle is to give freely. And MMM, no need to have or make any contract or promise anything and declare your assets. The whole system is very easy. If one participant need help, the system now will search for provider and connect each other. There's only one thing that MMM wants in all its participants is to be honest, reliable, and true, and build a good relationship between in all co-participants. Now, there is an important things to know about MMM. That MMM has no central account wherein all money is saved and it is easy to steal. Each member has its own accounts where they put their own money by themselves. If someone will provide help, the money will go directly to the participant's wallet. The only responsibility that MMM wants is to make sure that everything runs smoothly in proper way and nothing else. Is MMM a scam? Of course not. MMM openly declare all the risk and does not give any guarantee that your donations will be sent back to you. This is honest and transparent system where participants implement money transfer directly between each other. MMM is a social network for financial assistance. Now, there's a few information about MMM that its activity is about 4 years now and has $14 billion assistance provided. Wow. The fastest growing community of people in the world. And MMM is 100% legal. There's some aims of MMM. MMM help all people in the world gains financial freedom. We have to spread the good news on how to break the poverty through the power of giving. Create a bond between each participant to have a fair and equal relationship regardless of who you are. Let us learn how to become a help providers by helping people to reach their dreams through the power of giving. Hand in hand, we can make a difference. Now, there is advantages when you join MMM. Upon joining MMM, when you provide the help, you have 30% growth. It's called MAVRO. 30% per month for you provide help. Then, another one is your referral bonus. MMM community will give you 10% referral bonus for help made by people you invited to MMM. So on and so forth. So there's a lot of bonuses when you join MMM. Then, when you provide the help in MMM, you are donating money to the people's happiness and dreams. These are just an example. If you donate money worth 200 pesos, as you can see here, this is a computation table if you need help in the future. So this is 400, and this is also the computation, the first month, second month, up to 1 year. Then next is 600 pesos and 1,000 pesos, 3,000 pesos. So this is the computation, how much you will get, how much your MAVRO, the growth of your MAVRO, you will get in the future when you need help. So MMM uses Bitcoin, and maybe we will ask, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a form of digital currency created and held electronically. No one controls it. Bitcoins aren't printed like dollars and euros. So what makes it different from normal currencies? Bitcoin can be used to buy things electronically. In that sense, it's like conventional dollars, euros, or yen, which are also traded digitally. However, Bitcoin's most important characteristic is, and the thing that makes it different to conventional money, is that it is decentralized. No single institution controls the Bitcoin network. This puts some people at ease because it means that a large bank can control their money. So, together we can make a difference. We can all lend a helping hand. Together we can change the world. Thank you.